guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then keep watching the video. You may like something, you may subscribe to the channel. And I'm really sorry for my heavy voice, but this is because of the cold and cough and yeah, so just bear with me. So this is one of those videos where I use a product and I share my reviews with you people. So as you all know that I am an oily, acne prone, sensitive skin type person, so I keep on trying new products in the hope that something would work for me. Also, I have a thing for heavily marketed products. Like everything which is being endorsed by so many people, I'll be like, okay, I have to try this. I have to see whether they are lying or whether it actually works. So yeah, here I am. So I use the serum for good 21 days, and today is the 21 day getting completed, and today I'm going to share my reviews about this serum, which is Garnier Skin Natural New Light Complete Speed Vitamin C 30 times boosted serum. Okay, take it. Now if we read about what the product claims that on the first use your skin will be smoother, brighter, more translucent with regular use, and intensity, size and number of dark spots are reduced. Skin looks visibly fairer. I have to talk about this. In 3 days, you will see 85% reduction in darkening your melanin and 30% reduction in your size of the spots. Okay, so this is what the product claims. Why I ordered this product? Because there are very limited brands who offer serums on such affordable price. Now I know affordability is such a subjective issue, like subjective topic. I know something which is affordable for me might not be affordable for somebody, but I'm talking about like 449 rupees ka serum will be affordable by a lot of people in India. That's what I'm thinking. Whether you'll compare it to Kiehl's or whether you'll compare to it or any other brand, the serums are like the pricier side. So this one was on a budget thing, so I thought, okay, let's try this. And as you can see, I have used like quite a bit, and I ordered it last month, somewhere around 21st September. Okay, so you have to apply it 2 times in a day, like one before sleeping and one after you wake up and do that skincare. So this will be like a staple in your skincare. You have to use it 2 times. It is written on the box as well. For the best result, you have to use it 2 times every day. So I did it, and as you can see that it's not visible that how much I have used, but it's somewhere here. You see, there are few things which you recognize a brand with, maybe a color, maybe a slogan or something. With Garnier, they have a consistent smell in their skincare products, like whether it's a face wash or a cream or anything, they have a similar smell, which is something I really like. The first thing which I noticed about the serum was that it is not sticky. Like the one I have used in the past were a little sticky to my skin, but this one was quickly absorbent and was not feeling like it felt like a moisturizer more than like a serum. It has a serum like consistency, but the quickly absorbent formula made it look like it's like a moisturizer. So that's the one thing which I really like about it. The second thing, after 3 days, I did not notice any sort of fairness because like of my acne and my skin type. My skin gets red, or usually is very red. So after using this, I observed that my skin is a little less red than it is usually. And I think Garnier should go with only one marketing strategy, that it works on the dark spots and it will work fine for them, but they are still promoting it as a fairness product, which is a little absurd to me. Because see, there's one brand which has to completely rebrand itself, and you're still hooked on to that fairness part. I mean, it is not very appealing to the millennial or the Z generation. I feel it's like my personal opinion. Baki, I feel you need to give any product at least a month or at least 10 days to show results. And 3 दिन में कुछ नहीं होता है. 3 दिन में it's very early to judge any product. So what I observed, that I had a bump on my forehead which was literally gone after using it for good 8 days. Like it was gayab. So that was one thing which I really liked. And then I started observing, okay, my like ziddi dark spots were slightly fading away, and that's the one thing which I really like about this serum. Definitely it adds a glow to your face when you'll apply it, and it also, I think, somewhere make your skin feel hydrated. I think vitamin C has those properties, like vitamin C ka koi bhi product, face wash, serums, moisturizer, anything you'll use, that has that property that make your skin texture looks more flawless, makes your dark spot look like visibly lighter, and improves your skin texture in general. Okay, so that's one thing which I really like about that. But again, promoting it as a fairness product, I don't think so is a nice thing. I would recommend everybody who is looking for a budgeted or an affordable serum, go for this one. I got this one for rupees 381 in an Amazon Lightning deal. Like, if you are looking for skin lightening products, first of all, I want to tell you that you are beautiful the way you are. Do not run away from the kind of skin you are in. The more you will, you know, deny, neglect, and try to run away from it, the more it will haunt you. Accept yourself with confidence, and like, I know it's like a long procedure. You take baby steps every day, and then you reach to that level when, you know, no matter what people say, you just don't give a shit about it. But till then, the first thing you can do is to stop looking for fairness products, and stop, you know, thinking that fairness products will make you more likable or more attractive, because the only thing which will make you more likable and attractive is being yourself. And I know ये ज्ञान देना बहुत easy होता है. I know, I've been there. I have experienced all this, not because of the fairness, but I'm telling you, like, even if you are fair, but if you have pimples, you need to work on that. If you don't have pimples, you have something or the other thing which you need to work on, maybe your lips, maybe your nose. So do not go for skin lightening products. I don't know why. I always lose the context where I'm going. You can give it a try. If, like, I did not see any sort of reaction on my skin. Like, my skin is very, very ziddy. So if this product works on me, I can suggest this to oily, acne prone skin girls, that you can try this product. It's a good thing to try on a budget. And I hope I make this video short, crisp, clear. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Finally concluding it, not a fairness product, not will make you fairer or anything, but will work on your dark spots, will do that spot reduction thing which it claims. And one thing for Garnier, that stop promoting it as a fairness product. I hope I gave some value to you. Like, before investing in the serum, I hope you watch this video. And that's it. I'll see you next week. Bye.